Okay, so there's Snoop Doggy Dogg right there. Right over here, you'll see Tupac with the little toddler on his shoulder. That's Snoop Dogg. Here go Tupac right here with the little boy on his shoulder, trying to keep him from crying. My opinion. You see this? Mm-mm-mm. Now he gonna put the little boy on top of the hood. I remember this. I did a video on this. And there goes Snoop right beside him. And now there go Tupac. Got the little boy on top of the hood. Tupac passed them off to somebody else. Mm-mm. And they playing like all this music. They seem to be happy about something. Mm-mm. That's a shame. That's a shame. Oh my God, I can't. It's like 3, 4 in the morning. Why would they have somebody's baby? It's late and dark. Why would they have somebody's baby this late? And they celebrating and dancing. Like, where's the little kid at now? They done passed that little boy off. The little boy down there, oh, he dancing. Look at the little boy. Getting that adrenaline up. Getting them hyped. That's a shame. Got the little boy dancing. And they doing that. They know they getting paid. Mm-mm. Now, where are the parents? Where are the parents? There goes Suge right there, pulling off. Mm-mm. Y'all see that? Somebody videotaping all of this. Where are the parents to this little boy? That's what they do. Look at Snoop. The real one. Where is this little boy? Why is he out at 3, 4 in the morning? This was after they left a club. I can't think of his name. This guy right here. Oh my God, what is his name? What is his name? What is his name? Ugh. Look at this. This is what they got going on. Because they can. I did a video on this like 4 years ago, 3 years ago, like literally. And of course they took it down. Look at this. What he say they going to the dog pound? Like, where's the little baby? Like, what happened?